Hello, I'm David Lee, the C++ Game Dev Program Manager at Visual Studio. Welcome to Pure Virtual 2022. Today, I'm excited to show you how Hot Reload works in VS 2022 and how it can save you precious time while developing your game or application. Let's get started. Hot Reload for C++ is a feature that was recently introduced in Visual Studio designed to reduce time spent in your debugging loop. Traditionally, you would start a debug session, play your game to reach a bug, stop debugging, attempt to fix the bug, recompile, and start the loop all over again. As you can see here, playing and rebuilding the game can take minutes to hours of your time. Hot Reload is supported by edit and continue with the same limitations. Currently, optimized codebases are not supported by Hot Reload. Hot Reload is not limited to game development. You can apply your code changes without needing to pause your game or application's execution with a breakpoint. Once the changes are applied, you can re-execute them again to see immediate results. Let me show you how it works. Imagine you're a tech artist doing micro-art iterations on this open-source, cross-platform CMake project Bitfighter. Currently, the ship is gray with flames coming out of its boosters. With Hot Reload, I can change the color of the ship without restarting or rebuilding the game. Let's change the ship to look more cyberpunk inspired, like my Visual Studio theme. When I'm done making the edit, I can press the Hot Reload button to apply the changes immediately. Look, we have a green and magenta ship. The change was applied without having to restart the game. What if I want to make the flames bigger? You can keep hot reloading in the same session. This time, I can hot reload by saving the file. To enable hot reload on file save, make sure the option under the hot reload dropdown is checked. Now we have giant flames. With hot reload, you can boost your productivity by saving valuable time. You won't have to restart, recompile, and play your own game every time you want to apply a code change. We are continuously improving scenarios for game developers and are looking for your feedback. Let us know your thoughts in the survey at aka.ms/VS Game Dev Survey. Help us build an even better experience for you in Visual Studio. That's all, folks.